Hello, this is Thomas Ricks, and this is Clinical Psychology. Future job descriptions and duties. First is consultation. You'll want to meet with other professionals and discuss with them about your patients and your research and testing. Counseling and research. Being a clinical psychologist, you are very middle of the road. You are split between counseling and research. Counseling is all about helping your patients and guiding them towards better solutions for themselves and helping them with their mental disabilities or whatever it may be. Research is all about studies and experiments and writing down what you see, and after research comes writing and publishing. Publish or perish is a term usually used for academics and professors, but it fits here as well. To be able to progress in your clinical psychology degree, it is vital for your career to be putting new information into your portfolio. Education and dedication. You'll need a 4-year undergraduate. That's why we're here. After that, depending on how much time you spend and how well you do, it's between a 4 and 7-year graduate program. You'll want a 3.5 GPA. Some schools will accept a 3-point GPA, but it's better just to keep your grades up and keep a 3.5 GPA or higher. Internships. For your future career and to get accepted into your college of choice, it is vital to show that you have knowledge and information pertaining to the field you want to pursue. Internships can be that extra step up you have on your other competitors for positions. Many states require a residency, much like other medical doctors. It's really the final test to see if you're able to go out on your own and commit research and help patients by yourself. Residencies usually last 1 to 2 years for clinical psychologists. Next is my 4-year plan. Between this semester and the next, I'll be finishing up all my general courses so I can start on more of the harder tasks in my major. During this time, I'll want to get well acquainted with my professors and possibly attain an internship, and if I'm lucky, get a TA position so I can work on getting letters of recommendation, job experience, and money at the same time. Part-time job. Graduate school is not cheap. Cheaper schools will be around $7,000 a semester, so start saving now. And at the end of these 4 years, I plan to be graduated with a bachelor's degree in psychology. This is me. A picture of masculine perfection. As you can say, I am being incredibly facetious, but hi. How you doing? Okay. Why I chose this profession. To research and to work towards. I find the field of psychology to be incredibly rewarding and interesting. Even if I don't become a clinical psychologist, I still plan to follow psychology in some form. My talents balance well. I'm usually good with people, and I love research and I love learning new things. Clinical psychology pays better than a lot of other psychology professions. Psychiatrist is still the highest paying, but that is a medical degree on top of psychology. So expensive, takes a long time, and it strikes a and very limited positions. So that's why I chose clinical psychology over pursuing that. Lastly, I know it's very general and simple, but I want to be able to help people. And besides a medical degree, I can't obtain the amount of pay that I would like and help people at the same time. And this seemed like the best fit for me. Okay. Last slide. The comparing my goals and my whys to 13 or chapter 13. A lot of it was similar. There were a couple differences though. Those who are artistic don't fall into the psychology roles as much. It's more art, writing, and other artistic professions. But between the other things I found out during week 2, I believe, with our personality test and our career aptitude test, I found that being our social, artistic, and investigative were my highest qualities. And I feel that all of those can help me in a psychological career. Last thing to mention, in chapter 13, it states, wanting to help people is good, but it's vague. In order to succeed in this profession, you need to know your limits and know when to refer to someone else so you don't hurt someone. And that is very, very true. There's no one that can be a Superman and save everyone. Specializing in what you think you can do best at and knowing your limits is incredibly important. These are some of the sites I used to gain my information. Thank you to whoever is watching this, and I hope you have a wonderful day.